Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clone Hero with an Xbox 360 guitar. First, you will need an Xbox 360 wireless receiver for your computer. This small device is essential for connecting your wireless guitar. Make sure your guitar controller has 2 fresh AA batteries installed for uninterrupted gameplay. Then, simply plug the wireless receiver into an open USB port on your PC. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute. Once your wireless receiver is plugged in, it's time to pair your guitar. Locate the small sync button on the wireless receiver and press it. You'll see a green light begin to flash. Immediately after, press the small sync button on your Xbox 360 guitar controller. The lights on both the receiver and the guitar will flash for a few seconds, then become solid, indicating a successful connection. This pairing process usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds. With your guitar successfully paired, launch Clone Hero on your computer. From the main menu, go into the Settings section. Within Settings, you will find the Controls option. Select Assign Controller to begin mapping your guitar's buttons. The game will prompt you to press each button individually, such as the strum bar, fret buttons, and start button. This mapping ensures all your inputs are correctly recognized, taking about 30 to 45 seconds. If you encounter any issues, first ensure that the drivers for your Xbox 360 wireless receiver are properly installed. Sometimes, a simple restart of your computer can resolve minor glitches. If connection problems persist, try plugging the receiver into a different USB port. For optimal performance, keep your guitar and the wireless receiver within a 10-foot range. These simple steps will help ensure a smooth and enjoyable Clone Hero experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.